Hi, my name is Antonio Piazza. I'm the project coordinator here at Axiacore. We're a boutique consulting company, and today I'll be discussing how we're going to build your perfect product. So, if we start off here in the discovery section, we can see this chart. This is basically just communicating how we're going to transform your idea into a full-fledged product. So, we start out with things like user research, deep research, going all the way to consultancy and wrap-up. The whole idea of this discovery process is to really identify and analyze your users' behaviors, thoughts, interactions, satisfactions, and needs in the current market. We have several tools that allow us to do this, one of them being Interview Scan. This is going to allow us to break down all the information that your users are trying to say to us and really go in between the lines to find out the real purpose of their ideas and feelings. Another tool we use is called User Journey. This is going to study the positive and negative impacts that each activity has throughout your user's journey. So here we have a customer trying to buy a cake. We're examining their thoughts and feelings all the way from ordering the cake to receiving the cake. Next, we're going to have a technical conclusion, and this is basically going to be a wrap-up on research for possible solutions, trends, and competitive developments for your product. Next, we're going to really define your business model. And one of the first steps we do when doing this is create a bench matrix. This can allow us to examine your competitors and determine what differentiators are present. Next, we're going to visualize this data to really highlight those differentiators between you, your direct competitors, and indirect competitors. Next, we're going to create a product-led model. And this is going to allow us to gather all the information we've gathered so far and create a solution that your users need. Let's talk a little bit about product MVP. MVP stands for Minimal Viable Product, and this is going to allow us to create a basis for your product. One of the first steps we do when doing this is create a wireframe. This is going to be a prototype for the UI for your product. Next, we'll create a product backlog. This is going to be a list of activities in which the scope of the project is communicated. After we do that, we'll create a roadmap, and this is basically just going to allow us to stay on track with the backlog. Next, we'll create MVP metrics. Essentially, this is just going to allow us to measure how a product will do in an unknown market by measuring the behavior of new users. Finally, let's talk a little bit about who we are at Axiacore. So, here at Axiacore, we are strategy, design, and engineering. And yeah, that's it. If you have any questions, please let us know. Fill out the contact form, and we'll get back to you. Thank you.